This video shows you how to install the convenience stapler on your printer. Turn off the printer. Unplug the printer power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Remove the column covers. Unpack the convenience stapler. Connect the power cord to the stapler power supply. Connect the power supply to the convenience stapler. And then install the stapler. Position the power supply properly. And then attach the column cover. Connect the power supply to the electrical outlet. When the blue light comes on, perform a staple test. Connect one end of the printer power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.